I'm going to be using Willow Seasonings and Rubs and Blends. This stuff is great. This is the Memphis style. Guys, do me a favor. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Check this guy out. He makes some really, really great rubs. Alright, what we're going to do is get the wings. We're going to quarter them, and we're going to take that little knuckle off. There you go, like that, and like that. Now, these I'm not going to cook up. We're going to throw them there, and what you're going to do is you're going to boil them up later and make some homemade chicken stock.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now we got all those little end bits off. First we're going to do is we're going to get some good olive oil here. Get in there, mix in there good. Some kind of a binder. You can use anything. Some people Memphis rub in there. Alright, I'm going to be using my competition blend pellets today. I got the smoker set at 225. I have all the vents closed, so I'm looking for direct smoke only. These things will take about an hour to cook up. Remember, internal temperature of 165 for wings.
A few moments later.
Got the chicken wings on here right now. They're heating up, getting ready to go. All I want to do is I want to make a nice little thin sauce for them. So I got some store-bought original barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to thin this out. We don't need a whole lot. About what I have here should be enough. Alright, I want to take that Memphis barbecue rub again from Willow Seasoning. About that much. About 1 tablespoon. Some Worcestershire sauce. And some honey. About half a cup of honey. Just get it in there. What I want to do is, like I said, I just want to make a thin sauce. I don't want it real thick. But I want to stick with this seasoning. Alright, now I got them in there. Take a good pair of tongs. Mix them around a little bit, get them all happy. Make sure you all get in the swimming pool. You don't want to leave anyone behind. Make sure you like, subscribe, share us with your friends, and make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll leave a link for the description of all them below. Alright, make sure you check us out on our Patreon, Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, and also see how we did. Man, that smells good. Wow. I just about fall off the bone. That is a good chicken wing. Alright, my friends. Take care. God bless. As always, happy eats.